guys, I'm going by the name Sophia Lombiza 209 on YouTube. In case you don't see Sophia Lombiza, because I've changed the name, I am Sophia is my name on YouTube, but my real name is Sophia Lombiza. For the new subscriber, thank you for tuning to my channel. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe also. For the returning subscriber, thank you for being among of them. Don't forget to like my video, show like, share and some sweet comments. Let me know how do you see this place. To my side, I see it's so beautiful because it's so cool, no noises, and we have a sunshine here. Yeah. Don't know. So we have a good sunshine here. We have a lot of houses here. I don't know if you see proper. There's a lot of houses, and the place is still new because there is very little of people. Very little of people. Very little of the people, but many of them, they are hiding there far away, and that noise, there are some people building, they are constructing, that big noise, they are coming there, that is constructing. There is no noises. There is good air breathing coming from here. We are nearby by the ocean, Indian Ocean, but far. You can't go with your legs. Maybe it's far from here to the ocean. You can't go by legs until we get car or motorbike. It will be easy. So, and give some comments. How do you see here? It's the shamp of cassava. Yeah. And that was that was maize. Because of sunshine, we have a lot of sunshine and a little of rainfall. I see the maize are not growing well. Yeah. The rain is not yet starting. The season, but it is a season of rain.